You gotta go, bud. You can't stay there. Hey, just trying to hide on me? You gonna go around? Don't go up in there.